The 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay monitor is a modern and versatile in-car display designed to enhance the connectivity and user experience in vehicles. Large 10.26-inch display boasts a spacious 10.26-inch IPS screen display, providing a visually immersive experience for users. Wireless CarPlay supports wireless CarPlay functionality, allowing seamless integration with compatible smartphones. Users can access CarPlay features without the need for physical cable connections. Full touchscreen control features a full touchscreen interface, providing intuitive and easy-to-use controls for navigation, entertainment, and other functions. Universal compatibility. Designed with universal compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of car models. This ensures flexibility in installation across various vehicles. Bluetooth connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, facilitating wireless communication between the monitor and other compatible devices. This can include hands-free calling, audio streaming, and more. Plug-and-play installation. Designed for easy and straightforward installation with a plug-and-play setup. This simplifies the installation process, allowing users to enjoy the features without complex configurations. AI voice integration integrates AI voice control, providing users with the ability to control certain functions using voice commands. This enhances convenience and safety while driving. Smartphone mirroring likely supports smartphone mirroring, allowing users to mirror the display of their smartphone on the larger screen for enhanced visibility. High-quality IPS screen utilizes IPS screen technology, known for its wide viewing angles, vibrant colors, and high image quality. Enhanced connectivity offers advanced connectivity options to meet the demands of modern in-car entertainment and communication needs. Multiple functions and display modes to achieve more comfortable and safer driving. You can easily use map navigation, listen to music, answer and make calls, and view messages. Voice control with CarPlay or Android Auto. You can use voice to control the dash cam, such as playing music or making phone calls or navigation. Let driving safer and easier.